Say what? Amazon Prime was here. Oh my god, my favorite time of the day. Guys, I ordered a BeachSheetz on Amazon. And I actually know what I'm getting, but I've never had one or used one. So you guys are gonna experience with me how I'm unpacking this and what this fabulous Sheetz does. We are always on the go. We go to skate parks, we go to playgrounds, I need something in the backyard just to throw down. Kids always snack, right? So where are you gonna sit when you go? So I needed something where I can like stuff something in, like a diaper, my keys, my snacks. So I actually prepped here something so we can see if what I want to take on the go actually fits in this beach. That's what I ordered. Boom! Here we go. Comes in a package. Stuff I don't need. I need this one. I don't need the box. The kids do maybe. All right, here we go. BeachSheetz. We'll get into this. Woohoo! So this is a sheet that is in a backpack. So pull it right here. Ready for this? Oh my god, it's so light. Oh my god, I don't even feel it. Maybe my kids can even carry this for me. And then before we get like into like open this, let's see what we can stuff here on this side. Oh my god, look at this. I didn't even know. You can weigh it down. Let's say we go to the BeachSheetz. We can like totally stuff this in the ground or in the forest or when it's like super windy on top of everything. So once is this, let's see really. What fits in? A diaper? Heck yeah, diaper. What else you want me to put in? My phone? What else do we always need? A snack? Keep it going, keep going. I still have space. Wait, here. I should have put the hanger in. My keys, need to get home, and my wipes. Guys, I have everything in there. I'm good. Okay, close that up. Everything is set. Now I have arrived at my destination. What comes out? Oh my god, this color. It looks so bright. It's attached to the backpack. You can never lose a backpack. That's already a win. Because what if you're like on the beach or in the park and you lose that backpack and then you have to carry this home? No way. This is genius. And it's like weighted on the side. Look at this, guys. It's like weighted. It's like a little, I don't even know what's in there. Something that weights it down. And then we could actually use these if we would be at a place where we can hook this down to like 2 different ones. Plastic ones. Oopsies, metal ones, depending on like what surface you have to punch it in. Oh my god, this is awesome. I think I can bring the whole family. I can bring like the whole town to sit on this. I can invite people on the on the playground to like join me and have a picnic and sit down with me, which always ends up, right? You in the park and you're the one who has the best snacks and you're the one who brings the best toys or have the most socialized kid on the playground and everybody wants to sit with you. Like, guess what? I fit it on here like 3 times. 1, 2, almost 4. So, oh my god, you can bring everybody. You guys, I'm loving this. It's like super light, soft, easy. And it looks like if you would spill something on here, you can like totally like wipe this off. Sand, you just go shaky, shaky, shaky. Who hates like a towel? You bring a towel, you lay on the beach, and all this sand is like on there. You constantly have to shake it off. I don't think I have to do this with this one. Guys, I'm loving it. Bam.